One of the most dangerous illnesses that a person can have is high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. The reason for this is that it may or may not have any symptoms at all, but it does come with terrible complications, some of which are life-threatening. The reason for this is that there is a risk of the heart developing diseases that may put its very existence in jeopardy. We are going to take a look at some of the foods that have the potential to make your hypertension condition even more severe over time. Bread is one of the foods that can lead to blood pressure readings that are significantly higher than normal. I know this is going to sound strange to you, but it's true. The reason for this is that although bread does not have a salty flavor, it contains a significant amount of salt. It has been demonstrated that a single slice of bread can contain 80 to 230 milligrams of salt, making it a food that should be avoided by individuals who have hypertension, particularly when consumed in large quantities. Snacks that are high in sodium and salt, including chips, crackers, and popcorn, are not a good choice for people who already have blood pressure that is higher than average since they are unhealthy. If you do not want your illness to get any more severe, you must abstain entirely from consuming any salty foods or snacks. Meats that have been processed are yet another type of food that a person who has hypertension ought to limit their consumption of. The reason for this is that the majority of processed meats, as well as processed meals in general, contain a significant amount of sodium, making them unsuitable for consumption by people who suffer from hypertension. Maintaining your current diet of processed foods would be a fatal mistake for you as a hypertensive patient.